Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to personalize the app by turning on the Trends for You function. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. You should click on the search icon down below, which is the second option. After that, click on the settings section in the upper right corner of the screen, and as you can see in the personalization section, there is the Trends for You function that if you turn this on, you can personalize the trends for you based on your location and who you follow. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.